Hello you guys, I'm JasmineLatishea. Welcome back to the channel. I've been MIA for a while, and that's because, like I showed y'all in my last video, I've been starting this business, trying to get it all together, up and running. So I've been a little bit inconsistent here, ain't trying to be, but I'm gonna get it all straightened out, worked out, and figured out. It's coming together smooth. If you ever wanted to start a business in your life and have it kick-started, the first day I had sales. So you guys, if you struggling or something and you looking for a side income, I really recommend you look inside the description box. I have my Linktree link. Look in there, click that, and send me a DM. You know what I'm saying? Go like my Facebook, send me a DM. Let me know that you're interested, and I'll tell you what you need to do to join. Or if you're looking to lose some weight, there's some products that you can lose weight with. I'm actually with Total Life Changes. I'll put a picture up in here somewhere and show you. I might just start putting it in my videos, period though. But anyway, you guys, today I'm coming in and this is about this wig right here, okay? And I'm gonna tell you a little bit about it. This is not too much of a review, but this is like the opening / review. It's not gonna be a full one. I got it wore for days and can tell you about it, because that last one I had, if I would have waited like 7 days and did that one, it would have been a complete different, but I kind of wasn't feeling it in the first place, but it would have been a different story though, for real. So stay tuned. In the next clip, I'm about to show you and the unboxing of it, or unwrapping. The packaging was very nice. I liked it. So stay tuned. Up next. Okay, you guys, now here is the bag that it came in, which was actually quite nice. You can use it again, stuff something else up in there, put another wig up in there, put this wig back up in there just for storage. So I really liked this idea that they had to store the wig. Okay, it looked to me is like a little drawstring pillowcase, dowel pillowcase or something. So now I'm just taking it out, and the wig itself was actually packaged. It's called Africa Braid, and it was so long. I didn't realize how long it was, but it is 30 inches, and I got it in a 1B open box lace wig, and it also came with a pack of lashes. Now it said MAC on there, but those looked very extremely plastic, so I doubt that those are the official MAC lashes, but nonetheless they free lashes, so can't complain. Of course, obviously it came netted as usual, like they all do, and had these little clips and stuff to keep the form of the lace. The lace is soft, it's comfortable, doesn't prick you or anything. I don't know exactly what material it's made out of, but it's not prickly and like stabbing you in the forehead. And this strap is very thick, and they actually use an elastic strap. So like I said, they've been watching the videos, and now they got an actual strap on the inside of this wig. I was shocked by that, but I liked it though. So just for that, it got an extra thumbs up for me. It also has 3 wig clips, one to the left and the right of the lace, a netted cap, and one comb in the back as well. And then it got parting space, which is really nice. Really nice. Nice extra touch. Also has baby hairs in the front. Okay, you guys, again, I'm back. Okay, this is how it looks like on, as you already seen already. And I really like this. It was 73 bucks, a little bit expensive, but if you just look at the quality of like the braids, the quality quality of the braids is everything. They very neat. They all the same size. I'm really shocked. At first I thought I was having some issues by the shape. It was trying to give me like mushroom realness, but then I realized I always have these ponytails, so I had to move my ponytail and shift it a little bit and press it down so I can get it to how I wanted it, right? But after I did that, it was cool. And as you've seen that parting space up in there, it looks really natural too. It looks good. So, only thing I don't like, I wish this probably was asking for too much, but I mean, it's a $70 synthetic wig, but it's still probably asking for too much. But I actually wish the lace was all to the side. I wish that it was all to the sides, all down. And the baby hairs are only right here at the temple. There's none like on the sides. So, I mean, you could still kind of pull out your real hair if you really, really wanted to. I'm not gonna do all that, but look at that parting. It blends straight right into my skin, right into it. Very nice. Very nice. I really, really like this. And this is a, as you've seen, it was 30 inches. So it is very, very, very long too. Very long. And I'm gonna get up and show you. Like, and it's so long, you can do so much with this. And usually I've had a braided wig before and I kept it forever. So, and of course I got this off of Amazon. And you can keep these forever. As long as you keep them up and wash them and stuff, you can keep these forever. Do something like that to it. Whatever. Flip it over to one side. Yeah. And just like when you get your natural hair braided like we usually do, it kind of have that heaviness, or like feels very secure, and it feels like you just actually got your hair done. It really do. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna stand up and show you guys where it comes to on my body, so you can get a good idea of how long she is. So here I am again, you guys. And look how long she is. Like in the front, set the top of my leg. Hopefully you can see that. Yep, you can see. This is very long. And during this quarantine, I know it's hard to find ones that you like, especially when I go in there. I hate to find them looking through. Sometimes I be wanting to see how it looks on somebody, at least one person, like a full synopsis or something. And as you seen, it only had like that little piece of lace on there that was right there in the top. So I just snipped that off, put it straight on. It's not glued down, and it's real secure because it got that strap across it. So they be watching them videos, people be put down, and they decided to do it just like it. It's nice. It's really, really nice. I think it's cute. Okay, so if you like this, I'll have all the information. Make sure if you want to try that weight loss tea, click on my link tree and click the link that says visit my shop. Yeah, click the link that says visit my shop and grab you some of that CBD tea and get it in your life. Okay. It is so cute. But I love braids. I love like the natural hairstyles. A lot. And the braids are so neat and consistent. They look like sister did it. I'm even wondering, and yeah, it's unraveled at the ends. So I guess you can probably take them and curl them or something if you wanted to. Stick them in some hot water with some rollers, and you can actually curl those if you wanted to. But this is nice, you guys. To me, it's a little bit on the high side, but not really, because it's braids though, and they last longer than a regular synthetic wig. So out of this, I believe you will get your money's worth out of this one for the price. Okay. I don't know what her name is, but like I said, the link will be in the description box. So if you want to look at it, try it out. I'm not getting paid by them, so I'm just honestly doing a review on what I think about a wig off of Amazon. Okay. So you guys have a good day and stay tuned. I'll be back. I ain't gonna make no promises right now, but I will be back sometime this week. Okay, because I got another wig as well, and this one is a good one because, and you know it's good because it's a repeat buy. It's a repeat. I liked it so much. Okay, so that one for sure I liked. Okay, so thank you guys. Have a good one. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe.